Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our 70 El Camino. I'm calling it an SS Tribute because I don't have a build sheet. It's 396 automatic, power steering, power disc brakes, ice cold vintage air, good heat, 570 actual miles on the restoration, new paint, new interior, new wheels and tires, fresh built 396 engine, fresh built transmission. It's just gorgeous. It's a metallic sunset orange color. It's got SS stripes. A lot of good options to it. And just stunningly beautiful. The interior has the round gauges. Hey everybody. Brand new bucket seats with shoulder belts. Got the console, got the round gauges. It's got the two-spoke SS steering wheel. Brand new door panels, all new weather strap. New paint all the way down the jambs. I mean, this car is really cherry all the way around. Super nice. New American Racing wheels and tires, SS 396 badges. Look at that shine, it's beautiful. It's got a spray and bed liner that's painted orange. And it looks great. There's absolutely no rust on the car anywhere. It's got nice chrome, really nice paint. Absolutely beautiful. Tilt column. Reach in, start it. Need to pump it once. Really nice headliner, nice door panels. As I showed you earlier, nice door jambs, paint, weather strip, all of that. Front power disc brakes. Aluminum radiator, the whole 9 yards. Y'all come see us at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all have a blessed and awesome day.